Have yourself some corn. This is what corn is. Awesome. Oh, you also need beer. Get the beer for this. Okay, take your corn. Here you go. Twist it up. Make it loose. Loosen up the corn wrapper husk. Okay, and then here, open your beer. Ah, fresh. Very good. Okay, now look it. Peel up the top like this, okay? Pull the hair out of the way like this. And then you're going to stick the corn onto the top of the beer. And then you turn it over, and the beer flows over the corn. It makes it wet. It's like a beer shower on the corn. Soak it. Soak it good, because you'll need... It's going to get hot, you know. Okay. All right, now for the barbecue. I should have told you to light the barbecue before. But now put the corn on a lit barbecue and close it. And then leave it alone for the magic is happening. Okay, look, it's cooked, you see? And then take it off of there. Be careful, though, because it's hot. The barbecue is hot. Yes, look how good that corn looks. Doesn't it look magnificent? Okay, take it off. Unwrap it. It's like a corn Christmas birthday present or something. Look at it. Corn is soft and moist and sweet and plump and juicy. I'm telling you, you've never seen corn like this before. You've seen corn before, but not like this.